Hello, I'm KRISTOF with Positive Energy. We're a building science consulting shop here in Austin, Texas, and we are dedicated to bringing the human factor design into high-performance buildings. So what I wanted to talk about today are all these cranes. There's a lot of construction going on in Austin. I don't know the numbers in terms of how many units, but what I wanted to talk about was implicit in all this activity is a lot of exertion, a lot of discipline, a lot of people thinking about these projects and putting a lot of mind power into it, and also a lot of products are getting sold. Right now, implicit in that process is the absence of mechanical design, possibly the absence of a lot of the details on the building envelope design too. And let's just talk about the air conditioning heating system, right? If there is no design for that house, you know, the best you can hope for, and you might get it from time to time, is that you hire an awesome HVAC installer, and somewhat in real time during that process, he makes good decisions and a good design gets installed. In that scenario, everyone would agree it would have been better to write down, to draw a picture of what was going to go into that house, and then everyone could look at it. The architect, the client, the builder, the mechanical contractor. A company like us that specializes in high-performance designs, that's one of the things we do. Beyond that, we're also a building science consulting shop. So what does that mean? It's basically something that's new. I mean, it's been a bit of a long road to hoe over the last few years. But you know, it's been a small family business, and those of us that work here, we really believe in what we do. And what it is a bit of an experiment. We're trying to find out if the market is willing to support, and it seems to be working, willing to support product neutral information, right? Much of the information that builders and architects get is coming through the lens of the product manufacturers themselves. There's a lot of fantastic products on the market these days. I mean, it's truly amazing. It's a big blessing to be able to shop in the ways you can put high performance homes and mechanical systems together these days. But I do want to point out that there's a big difference dealing with a company that sees the big picture, and even more so what we said at the beginning of this talk. We aren't looking at it from a product perspective. We're looking at this from the perspective of the people that are going to be in those units. You know, are they going to be comfortable? Is they going to have good indoor air quality? So we're looking at it from the human factors first, and from that leads down to the systems and the assemblies, and of course the products that are in those systems and assemblies. We're looking at all that, and you know, touching back on the idea of a building science consulting shop as different from what's existed, when we put our designs down, we have an internal peer review process that's implicit in all the designs. It's not just one person with a bunch of expertise that has building science knowledge and provides it to an area. We're trying to create a shop that when that one person goes on vacation, there's still expertise available in that market. And I think it's proven that the market's ready for us. Hopefully you can see the point in making design of your buildings before you put them up, even in the single-family residential context, something that you do before you start to build.